Hello everyone, welcome to the 4th Indices of Advanced Math Challenges. So on this one, let's see how we can give you a solution to this problem that's seen here. So you have to find the value of x in this equation. And this is 8 raised to the power of 4x minus root x, all divided by 16 raised to the power of 2x plus root x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 root. In case you missed the 3, this is the video card for the 3. Just click on this, then you take it to the 3. So now let's start solving. So I'm going to make 8 to have a base of 2. That means I'm going to make 8 to be the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3. And I'll make 16 to be the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 4. That's it. So here I'll have 2 raised to the power of 3 is going to multiply 4x minus root x. Then 16 is 2 raised to the power of 4. It will multiply 2x plus root x. And this is now equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 root x. So now I'm going to expand the bracket. 3 is going to multiply the first expression. 2 is also going to multiply the second term. So I'll have 2 raised to the power of this time this is 12x. Then, sorry, 3. 3 times this is 12x. Then 3 times this is minus 3 root x. All over 4 multiply here. 4 times 2 is 8x. Then 4 times this is 4 root x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 root x. Now, the two of them are having the same base and I'm divided. Just very simple. I'm just going to subtract it when I have something like this. So here I'll have 2 raised to the power of 12x minus 3 root x minus 8x plus 4 root x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 root x. This is root x. Okay. So now I'm going to expand this with this minus, and then I'll have 2 raised to the power of 12x minus 3 root x minus 8x minus 4 root x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 root x. Now let's do the subtraction. 12x minus 8x is 4x. Then minus 3 root x minus 4 root x is minus 7 root x. So now 2 raised to the power of 4x minus 7 root x will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 root x. That's it. So I'm almost getting to the answer. This is the last line. So now from here I'm going to equate the index and solve for x. So now the next thing is just for me to move minus 7 root x here after equating the index. So I'll have 4x now be equal to 2 root x plus 7 root x. So I'll have 4x to be equal to this plus this is 9 root x. So when I'm having 4x to be equal to 9 root x, okay, I'll just need to square both sides. Let me square both sides. So I'll square both sides. Then I'll have 4x all squared will be equal to 9 root x all squared. So 4x all squared is 16x squared. Then this is 81x. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Now I can divide both sides by x. Divide both sides by x. X will cancel the square. This will cancel this. And then 16x will be equal to 81. Yes. So I cannot divide both sides by 16. This will cancel this. And then x will be equal to you think I can cancel what now? What will you cancel what? It's just 81 over 16. And that's the answer. 81 over 16. That's it. That's the answer. That's it. 81 over 16. So that's the answer to this problem you are seeing. So I said I'm going to drop the playlist of the video card of the playlist. So that's the video card. That's the video card. Just go and click on this. Click on it, then you watch. Don't disappear. You can go.